Here we are back at Newport State Park in Wisconsin, and last year we went south in this park down to Varney Point. This year we're going to camp on the northern point next to Europe Bay Lake, right in between Lake Michigan and Europe Bay Lake. I'll be hiking an 11-mile loop, and about half the way we'll find campsite 14, and that's where we'll spend the night tonight. Birch bark, nature's gasoline. I think we'll harvest a little bit while we're here on the trail, and then later at our campsite that'll help us get some of this wet wood going. Well, we've come to that spot in the trail where we're going to turn left and go away from Lake Michigan and head west to Europe Bay Lake. That's where our campsite will be. Now that we're away from Lake Michigan, things have gotten very quiet. On our weight. We're staying way up here at the top, right there, on Europe Bay Lake. So we've done all this today. Went out here, this is where all the water shots were. Go up here, now we're here. We'll go up this way to Camp 14. This is the west side of the peninsula. This is Europe Bay Lake. We've got another mile or so to go north up this trail. And our campsite should be right on this big lake. Going east about a half mile, that's Lake Michigan all the way through those trees. So we're kind of staying in between two big lakes tonight. Like we've landed for the night. I saw a sign pop right up, campsite 14. This must be the place. Left. Wow. Time to set up the camp. Not hard to tell I want a fire tonight. Camp's all set up, firewood's cut. I think it's about time we made us some good old Cowboy coffee in my new little Cowboy coffee pot. Biscuits. Well, we've got the fire lit, finally. Everything's so wet here. I used an old trick I had heard on YouTube. Doritos make excellent fire starter, and sure enough, they sure did. Beef. Yep, it's what's for dinner. Boy, that fire feels good because it's going to be down below 32 tonight. It's already getting pretty cold. So we'll let that burn down to some good coals, and then we'll slap the beef on the grill. We've got sirloin steak. We've got biscuits. And we've got Bush's country style baked beans. I am hungry and I am ready. Better get over here and see how our coffee was doing. Thank you, McDonald's, for the condiments. Oh yeah. Guess I'll let the fire die down and get ready to hit the hay. It's a nice brisk morning. Actual temperature is 32 degrees and it feels like 28, but we got a little bit of a fire going for the breakfast and it's on. Man, that is really good. Well, we're all packed up and ready to go. One last look at the lake. Douse the fire. Everything looks picked up. Well, that pretty much wraps up our cowboy camp adventure up here at Newport State Park. So, we'll probably see you on the next adventure. Yeehaw! Stay tuned. I've got a clip coming up called Breakfast Blooper. Until next time.